And we're at the Baking Steel Test Kitchen, take 6. No, we are today. We're gonna tell you the secret of how to make fluffy pancakes at home. It'll be a lot of fun. Stay tuned. The ingredients: a pinch of salt, teaspoon of cinnamon, baking powder, sugar. We use brown, all-purpose flour, organic. My favorite, vanilla. And we've got 2 eggs separated. Yolk, whites, 1 cup of milk. Dump all the dry ingredients in together. All-purpose flour, some brown sugar. Let's scrape that bowl out. Baking powder, cinnamon, and last but not least, salt. Whisk together. So for egg whites, we like to have everything cold to start. Just pour your egg whites in and literally just I'm gonna beat this now. Quick hands. All right, now I'm gonna take my liquids and add them into the flour mixture. Just about a cup of milk, the vanilla, and the egg yolks. Just mix this till everything's kind of incorporated. Next, we're gonna fold in our egg whites. Take your egg white mixture and just pour it into your flour mixture, and now we're just gonna fold. By that, we're just gonna mix lightly, gently, gingerly. Just make sure you scrape the sides. Nice fold.